Om Ganana Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kabinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashunvannutibhissidasadanam Om Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinama Vitriyavatu Saraswatyai Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Okay. So unlike Vishnu Sahasranamam, where we start with some dhyana shlokas and then there is a Purva Pitika, in Lalita Sahasranamam, the most popular version or most frequently chanted version is the one that starts directly with the Nyasam. But they note that there is a complete Purva Pitika or Purva Bhaga for Lalita Sahasranamam. And there is also the Phalashruti. But in Lalita Sahasranamam, we start with Nyasam, go into Dhyana Shlokas, and directly go into Lalita Sahasranamam, and we conclude right after Lalita Sahasranamam in most cases. But people do chant Purva Bhaga and Uttara Bhaga, which is the Phalashruti. So we'll go with the more popular version. And towards the end, if there is interest, I can teach the other two as well. So we'll start with Nyasam. I will not go through the process of explaining what the Nyasam is and how to do the Nyasam. It's all in the recorded videos. If anybody needs it, just send me a note. I will find the YouTube video for it. So you can actually do all the Anganyasa, Karanyasa and all of that. So for now, we will just do what generally gets chanted without those Anganyasa, Karanyasa. We'll start with Om Asya Shri. Lalita Divyana Sahasranama Stotra. And then we'll skip Anganyasa Karanyasa and then we'll go into Dhyana Shlokas directly. And we'll do Panchopacharam and then we'll go into the Sahasra. So the format for anybody who is only attending a Lalita Sahasranamam. So we'll just do alphabetical order. I will repeat, one person will repeat after me. And then everybody else will just go on their own for 4 or 5 times, depending on the difficulty of the shloka. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 5. And then we just go into the next shloka. It's not possible for all of us to chant all the shlokas, otherwise we will run out of time and it will take very long. But I think 4 or 5 times. And once we hit a certain number of shlokas, for example, in Lalita Sahasranamam, I usually stop at 40 shlokas and we'll take a particular week or a particular class where we will chant all 40 shlokas in one stretch, and then we will go into the next set. So maybe we'll start because we started from the top in the past. So we'll go from the bottom. Vinitaji and Shajiji, would you be willing to do with me?
Sure. Thank you, Sriji.
Asya Shri Lalita Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya
Asya Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya
Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rishayaha
Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rishayaha
Anushtup Chandaha
Anushtup Chandaha
Sri Lalita Para Bhattarika Devata.
Sri Lalita. Oh, we have different words here.
I know, so it's just that's why I actually paused there. Each book actually has these in a little different format. Even I have like Mahatripura Sundari Devata, but I was just thinking like anything that you have in your book, you can chant that as long as you start with Sri Lalita Para Bhattarika. So go ahead, Vinitaji, whatever you have, you can chant that.
Sri Lalita Parameshwari Devata Srimat Vakbhavakudedi Bijam.
So where you will stop there is Sri Lalita Parameshwari Devata, comma, and then go into Bijam.
Okay, Sri Lalita Parameshwari Devata.
Yeah. Then if you have, and even the Bijam, Shakti and Kilakam, if you see that the Nyasam video, you will understand the importance of those. These are also very different in different books based on if they are basing it on Bala Tripura Sundari mantra or if they are basing on Panchadashi and Shodashi has a different one. So there are different ways it's been given.
Okay.
So we'll go with the Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam, that version. Somebody is not on mute. I'd appreciate if everybody goes on mute, please.
I'll send you a different place. Don't be.
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam.
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam
Madhyakuteti Shaktihi.
Madhyakuteti Shaktihi
Shaktikuteti Kilakam.
Shaktikuteti Kilakam.
And even the phala, what is the reason why we are chanting also comes here, the sankalpam. In my book, it says, Mama Chaturvida phala purushartha siddhyarthe. I don't know what you have, Vinitaji, and every one of us would have a different sankalpam. I usually just, don't even ask for anything when I'm chanting. So I just say, Sri Mahatripura Sundari Prasada Siddhyarthe is my favorite. Is basically, I'm asking for mother's prasada or her attention. So we'll go with that version. And if you are interested in the chanting the sankalpam that you have in your book, you feel free to do that. Sri Lalita Parameshwari Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha.
Shri Lalita Parameshwari Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha.
And in Siddhyarthe, what is the last one? Somebody is again not on mute. I'd appreciate if everybody just notices their mute settings, please. Otherwise, we'll just keep stopping for those noises in between. Siddhyarthe, Siddhi, Arthe. So the Siddhyarthe, when those things are combined, the first Siddhyarthe, the Da with the Dha, and the Ra with the Tha, the second Tha. So just observe that fine nuance and when you're chanting that. So we'll move forward.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you. Who else? Maybe we'll just Vijaya Rameshji, would you like to chant?
I'd like to, but sorry, I don't have the book with me right now. So
Okay,
I'm not sure if I can, go with the online version.
you can try doing this. Sanskrit documents version is what I would recommend. It does not have mistakes in it. Some other versions might, you might get caught with a few.
Okay. If you want to go ahead with someone, I'll just, I don't want you to waste the time on me.
Sure.
So Sanskrit documents, is it?
Yes, sanskritdocuments.org. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ushaji? Usha Menanji?
Namaste. Yeah.
Namaste.
Yes.
So are you comfortable chanting or would you like us to do it together?
We'll do it together, please.
Okay. Om Asya Shri Lalita Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya
Om Asya Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotramala Mantrasya
Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rishayaha
Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rishayaha
Anushtup Chandaha
Anushtup Chandaha
Shri Lalita Para Bhattarika Devata
Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam
Srimad Aghavakuteti.
So Vagbhava. So Srimad Vagbhava.
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam
Madhyakuteti Shaktihi.
Madhyakuteti Shaktihi
Shaktikuteti Kilakam.
Shaktikuteti Kilakam
Sri Lalita Parameshwari Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha.
Shri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Prasada Siddhara Jape Viniyogaha.
So, assuming your book probably, does it say Sri Lalita Parameshwari Prasada, Lalita Parameshwari
prasada siddhidhara chintat phala
Chintita phala vaptyarthe jape viniyogah. Yeah. Okay. As long as you are doing the full sentence, that's fine. Where you stopped and you missed a word, that did not make sense. That's what I was asking the question. So prasada siddhi dvara, based on based on mother's prasadam, I'm chintita phala vaptyarthe, whatever I am desiring, may that come true, you're asking. So if you miss out on chintita phala vaptyarthe, then it is just a half a sentence. It's a phrase that won't make sense. Just make sure that whatever you're chanting, chant the full that is being given in the book. Otherwise, very well done, Ushaji. Thank you. Sushma ji.
ॐ अस्य श्रीललिता सहस्रनाम स्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य वशिन्यादिवाग्देवता ऋषयः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्रीललिता परमेश्वरी देवता श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटेति बीजं मध्यकूटेति शक्तिः शक्तिकूटेति कीलकम् श्रीललिता महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी प्रसादसिद्धिद्वारा चिन्तितफलावाप्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः.
Thank you, Sushma ji. Sudha ji, would you like to do as well?
Yes. Om Asya Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rishayah Anushtup Chandah Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata Srimad Bhagavakuteti Bijam Madhyakuteti Shaktihi Shaktikuteti Kilakam Shri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Prasada Siddhidvara Chintita Palavaptarte Jape Viniyogaha.
Awesome. Thank you. So we'll go to the Dhyana Shlokas now. So the Dhyana Shlokas are a little, there are a few tongue twisters in this. So we'll take this slowly, but then after that we should be able to breeze through it. Sindhuraruna. So notice the Sindhu is a Mahaprana Dha. Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikya Mauli Sphurat. Okay. And then that actually continues into the second line. It does not break after a word. So there is a continuation. Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhim and Apina. So Smitamukhim Apina, that's how it just combines together. We talked about sandhis. So Smitamukhim Apina Vakshoruham Panibhyam Malipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktotpalam Bibhratim. Notice the Ba is a the Alpa Prana, and then Bhra is a Mahaprana. So Bibhratim Saumyam Ratna Ghatasta. Gha is a Mahaprana. The regular Ga will not make any sense here. Ratna Ghatasta. Mother is holding a Ghatam, the pot made of all the precious stones. Ratna Ghatastharakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam. So those are the words. I'll repeat one more time. Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikya Mauli Sphurat Taranayaka Shekharam. Shekha is a Mahaprana. Shekharam Smitamukhim Apina Vakshoruham Panibhyam Malipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktotpalam Bibhratim Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam. Param Ambikam. Any questions before we start chanting the shloka? Okay, everybody's good. Siniji, are you able to join?
Just the second line, it is Mauli Spurat or Mauli Spurat. In mine, it says Mauli La.
Panibhya Mau. Sorry, which line?
Manikya.
Sorry. Panibhyam or Manikya Mauli Spurat. Mauli.
L.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Mauli is, Chandra. Okay. Okay, Siniji, would you like to chant with me?
Sure.
Okay, we'll just take a small words first, and we'll, wherever you see a comma, we'll break that into 8 different quartlets. I think not even quartlets now. I will just break it into the whole thing into 8. Yeah. Sindhuraruna Vigraham
Sindhuraruna Vigraham
Trinayanam
Trinayanam
Manikya Mauli Sphurat
Manikya Mauli Spurat
Taranayaka Shekharam
Taranayaka Shekharam
Mitamukhim Api Navakshoruham
Smitamukhim Apina Vakshoruham
Panibhyamali Ratna Chashakam
Panibhyam Alipurnaratna Chashakam
Raktotpalam Bibhratim
Raktophalam Vipratim
Raktotpalam.
Raktotphalam Bipratim
Yeah, very good. Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam.
Saumya Ratna Ghatasatha
So we'll break it, no problem. Saumyam Ratna
Saumyam Ratna
Ghatastha Rakta Charanam.
Ghatastarakta Charanam
Dhyayet Paramambikam.
Dhyayet Parambikam
Ambikam.
Param Ambikam.
Awesome, very well done, Siniji. You have the nuance understanding of the Mahapranas and whatnot. You're doing really well. Really like it. Thank you. Sindhuji.
सिन्धूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मृतमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यमलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोल्पलं बृंभतीं सौम्यं रत्नगडस्थरत्नरक्तचरणां ध्यायेन् परामम्बिकाम्.
Okay, we'll do the line 3 and 4 once again, Sindhuji. Parnibhyam. I felt like you might have missed a word there, unless I misheard it. And
Okay.
then just focus on the Mahapranas a little bit. The first 2 lines were really good. The last 2 lines, please.
Panibhyamalipurnaratna.
One sec, sorry. Panibhya. It's a dhirgam there.
Okay. पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोल्फलं बृंभतीं.
One sec. Raktotpalam bibhratim.
रक्तोत्फलबृंभतीं.
Raktotpalam
बृंभतीं. बिभ्रतीं.
Yeah. So do you want to do just that the last part? Raktotpalam bibhratim.
रक्तोत्फलं बृंभतीं.
Bibhratim.
प्रतीं.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I start one more time?
Sure.
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं पाणिभ्यमलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्फलबृंभतीं.
Raktotpalam bibhratim. Maybe what you can do, when you're chanting, and especially when we are stuck at one point, it just keeps happening. So when you're practicing, just break it into, take a little nice subtle pause after Raktotpalam. So bibhratim will become very easy. Panibhya, just make sure that just underline bhya there, because you're missing out on the dhirgam.
Yeah.
Panibhya malipurna ratna chashakam raktotpalam bibhratim.
प्रतीं. सौम्यां रत्नगडस्थ तच्चरणं ध्यायेन् परामम्बिकाम्.
Yeah, the last line is fine. It's just the third line. I think just to 3 different locations. Just underline those, and you will get it. Thank you so much. Sindhu Krishnanji.
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीम् आपीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नशशकं रक्तोत्फलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रक्तकटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्.
Awesome. Thank you, Sindhuji. And I'm just noticing, like, there is one Sindhuji with a DU and one Sindhuji with a DHU. So just notice the difference between Sindhu and Sindhu are very, very different words and mean different things. So those are the kind of nuances you have to observe when you're chanting, especially when you're chanting, like, some powerful stotrams, Divya Sahasranama stotras like Lalita Sahasranama and Vishnu Sahasranama. So Sindhuji, I noticed there might be some misses, like, your pronunciation was really well. The hrasvams and dirghams just make the dirghams a little longer than what you're currently doing. Otherwise, very well done. So we'll go to the next shloka. Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim. So make a slash if you're noting the where you have to just take the pauses. Karuna Tarangitakshim Dhrita. That dha is a Mahaprana dha. Dhrita Pashankusha Pushpa Bana Chapam Animadi. Ani nada Tatadadhana. Animadi Bhiravrutam. That bha. No, it should vibrate your anahata when you pronounce it. Animadi Bhiravrutam Mayukhai Rahamityeva. Mayukhair Ahamityeva is the 2 different words there, but we say Mayukhair Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani. Okay, so Sai ji, Sai Lakshmi ji, would you like to chant with me? Okay, not on. You're on mute.
Yes.
Arunam Karunatarangitakshim
Arunam Tarangitakshim
Dhrita Pushpabana Chapam
Pradapashangusha Pushpabhana Chapam
Animadi Bhiravrutam Mayukai
Animadi Bhiramvritam Mayukhe
Ahamityeva Vibhavayer Bhavani.
Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani.
Thank you. Very well done.
Thank you.
Ramya ji.
Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrita Pushpabhana Chapam Animadi Bhiravrudamayughai Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani.
I think the one miss is Animadi Bhiravrutam. That is a Mahaprana Bha. If it is not in your book, if it's a typo, just correct it, please.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Rekha ji.
Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrita Pushpabhana Chapam Animadi Bhiravruta Mayukhe Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani.
Awesome. So again, the same thing. Animadi Bhiravrutam. Not sure if it's a typo in a particular book. Just correct that one, please. Otherwise, very well done. Rajiv ji.
Sorry, Meena here.
Go ahead, Meena ji.
Thank you. Arunam Tarangitakshim Tritapashangusha Pushpabana Chapam Animadi Bhiravritam Mayukhai Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani.
Awesome. So notice that these shlokas are not in your regular Anushtup or Trishtup Chandas. So they have various different ways of chanting. So I chanted like, Sindhura Aruna Vigraham in one kind of tone or one kind of, you call that. And then the Arunam Karuna Tarangitaksham, I tried a different kind of tune. So I have the format that is most frequently used. I have recordings of all of this. Those are all available in the Google Drive folder. So I'll post the Google Drive folder if you want to listen to the one that everybody uses, kind of like, when you're doing like chanting along with groups. So we will go to the next Dhyana Shloka.
I have a doubt.
Please go ahead.
So in my book, there is a first four, the Sindhura Aruna Vigraham Taranayana Manikam, that 4 sentence. Then after that, you started with Aruna Karuna Tarangitakshim. So in between, in my book, there is Dhyayat Padmasanastham Vikasita Vadanam Padmavatraya Dakshim, and that 4 lines. Then again, Sagunguma Vilevanam Aligachumbi Kasturigam, that 4 line is there. So
Yeah.
is it relevant, or is it just skipping? What is the reason we are skipping that?
So I am actually going into Dhyayet and Sakunkuma Vilepanam. So that is usually like I think the sequence that is used. And there are 4, and some texts have actually 5 Dhyana shlokas. But in my book, the Dhyayet and Sakunkuma Vilepanam is the very next 2 Dhyana shlokas. But there are more than 10 different Dhyana shlokas for Lalita Sahasranamam. These 4 are more popular and chanted in this.
Okay, and the order can be changed as well.
Yeah, can change.
Okay. Thanks.
Actually, when we go into Sahasranamam, that's when everything becomes like a lot more particular, especially in the case of Lalita Sahasranamam. Until that point, the Nyasam, there are changes based on even the Dhyana shlokas actually change based on what kind of mantra diksha you have and things like that. So the order is usually Sindhura Aruna Vigraham and Arunam, maybe coming at the end because of the tune. There is so much relationship in terms of chandas for the Sindhura Aruna, Dhyayet, and Sakunkuma Vilepanam. That's probably.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, Vijayaji. So we'll actually do the breakdown first. Dhyayet Padmasanastham, the stha is a Mahaprana tha there. Vikasita Vadanam, don't rush through the alphabet, just pronounce each one of them separately. Padma Patrayatakshim, Hema Bham, Pita Vastram, Karakalita, Lasadhema, Padmam, Varangim, Sarvalankara, Sarva Alankara Yuktam will become like one word. Sarvalankara Yuktam, Sakalam Abhayadam, Bhaktanamram Bhavanim, Shri Vidyam, Shantamurtim, Sakala Suranutam, and there are 2 different variations for this. I've also heard Surasutam, but I use Suranutam. Sakala Suranutam, Sarva Sampat Pradatrim, the mother who bestows all the Sampada, Sampat Pradatrim. So don't miss out on that, don't mispronounce it. So we'll go with Prernaji, would you like to chant with me?
Sure.
Dhyayet Padmasanastham,
Dhyayet Padmasanastham,
Vikasita Vadanam,
Vikasita Vadanam,
Padmapatrayatakshim,
Padmapatrayatakshim,
Hemabham Pitavastram,
Hemabham Pitavastram,
Karakalitala Sadhema Padmam Varangim,
Karakalita Lasathem Padmavarangim.
Awesome. Karakalita Lasadhema is the ma you missed on that, but I was just trying to see if you could chant a little longer one, but very well done. Karakalita Lasadhema Padmam Varangim.
Karakalita Lasadhema Padmam Varangim.
Very well done. Sarvalankara Yuktam,
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां
सकलमभयदां
सकलमभयदां
भक्तनम्रां भवानीं
भक्तनम्रां भवानीं
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां
सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं
सर्वसम्प्रदात्रीं.
Okay, we'll stop at the like sampat. Take a little pause and just continue to the next one. Sarva sampat pradatrim.
Sarva sampat pradatrim.
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 Yeah. Thank you, Prernaji. I think Muraliji.
Sriji, just a question for you.
Sure.
On the third line, we have two books in front of us, and both of it says Satatam Apayadam and not Sakalam Apayadam.
Yeah, Satatam is always and Sakalam is also always, and there are two different variations. You can use either one and it would mean the same.
Okay, thank you.
I've heard both versions too. And you would see like, some of those minor variations in the Dhyana shlokas, and both should be correct.
Sure, thank you.
Muraliji? I see Murali's iPad. Okay, we'll go with Miniji. Would you like to chant?
Yes, sure. Oh, that's different. Sorry.
Is it Mini Ramohan?
Yeah, please, Mini Ramohanji, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Okay. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्तां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रं करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सददमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं.
Very well done. I just noticed one minor thing. Vaspita Vastram is a Mahaprana. Sorry, Dhirgam. I'm sorry. Pita Vastram is a Dhirgam, and I heard a Pita Vastram, which would mean completely different things if you just did not have that Dhirgam. If it's a typo in your book, please correct it. But very well done otherwise.
Thank you.
Muraliji?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
This is Radha Murli.
Namaste, Radha ji.
Namaste. Where from do you want me to start?
Dhyayet Padmasanastam.
Okay. Dhyayet Padmasanastam Vikasita Vadanam Padmapatrayadakshim Hemabam Pidavastram Karakalitalasadhe Mapatmam Varangim.
Yeah, the next two lines as well, please.
Sarvalankarayuktam Satatamabhayadham Bhaktanamram Bhavanim Shri Vidyam Santamurtim Sagala Suranudam Sarva Sampat Pradatatrim.
Awesome, thank you. I think there were a few Dhirgams that seem to have got.
I should, yeah.
Just make sure that you correct it, and if there are typos, thank you.
Thank you.
I think Maya Sureshji, would you like to chant?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं.
Awesome, very well done. We'll go to the next shloka. Sakunkuma Vilepanam, and then actually combines into Alika Chumbi. So therefore those two words, there is a sandhi there and becomes Vilepanam Alika Chumbi. Kasturikam. Samanda Hasitek, Samandara is what I have, but Samanda Hasitek Kshanam is what actually fits into the Chandas. Samanda Hasitek Kshanam. Sashara Chapa Pashankusham. Notice the Sa Saraswati Sha. Sha is the Shiva Sha. Sashara Chapa Pashankusham. Asesha Janamohinim.